Hi everyone. Today, sorry, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram update problem in iOS. To know how to fix Instagram update problem iOS, you should just go to settings like this. You will click here in this page. You will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page, you will click force stop. When you will enter and this, you will click here and enter storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.